Now, yes. So like I said, my name is Rocky. I'm a field trainer with this company, and the name of this company is Financial Education Services. Now, let me get this PowerPoint right, and let's get it on. Okay. So what my position is a field trainer. Now, thanks to anybody who shows you this video or shows you this presentation, all right? It includes a lot of information, and we'll be going through a lot of tips and tricks and a lot of information as to what this company is and what you have to gain in this company. Now, the name of this company, like I said, is Financial Education Services, and we hand people the keys to their financial freedom. Now, today, what you're going to learn is what FES is, all right? We're going to teach you how to position yourself for the best interest rate available for future purchases. We're going to help you pay off. We're going to teach you how to pay off your debt that keeps you going paycheck to paycheck, because that's the bad thing. A lot of people are trapped in the 9-to-5 jobs, and they keep living paycheck to paycheck. They have no savings, and whatever cash or checks they have is already squandered before they get it. So we're trying to keep or teach people how to get out of that trap. Now, we help people teach them how to build big businesses from home that won't interfere with what they already have going on. That's the best thing. You have the security and you have extra source of income. Of late, one stream of income is never enough. You need to have multiple streams of income so you can live comfortably. Now, why is this important? Your why is the most important thing. People are struggling. So to have an extra source of income is the best thing for you, so you can lay a future for your legacy. Now, we're going to teach you a few statistics. I'm going to tell you about a few statistics about the mindset of people in the US today. Now, we have over 43 million people with 599 credit score and less. That is bad, okay? We have more than half of Americans who don't even know their credit score, to even say worse. Guys, that means your credit score is so bad, you're shy to check it, and that is bad, all right? The average debt in every household, okay, or the average debt is over $225,000. Many having less than $500 in their savings. Guys, if you have less than $500 in your savings and there's an emergency, what are you going to do? Okay, that's a big question. Now, we have nearly 2/3 of Americans that cannot even pass a financial literacy test. We have 49% with no retirement, 18% that know they're on track to reach their financial, retirement goals. Now, 65 have no will, 82 no trust, 71% no medical or financial power of attorney. And guys, every 2 seconds, a person's identity is stolen. Yeah, someone's identity just got stolen. So why is this the case, guys? The reason why we have all of this is back in school, we are not taught financial literacy or financial way to increase our financial life, ownership, financial freedom, and success. We're not taught any of these. The things that are taught in schools are sometimes not even applicable in real life. This is what we're supposed to be teaching in schools, and we don't get that coming. Guys, to me, that sucks. And we're taking this opportunity to educate as many people as possible, okay? Now, Financial Education Services was founded, this company was founded in 2004. It has its headquarters in Farmington Hills, Michigan. We are A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau. Guys, this is huge, okay? We have over 100% in annual sales growth. Every year, our sales increase 100%. That's the meaning of this. This is huge. Okay, we're a debt-free company. We can't be teaching people how to get out of debt if we're debt inside, ourselves. That is awesome to me. We have the same key executives since the company's inception. We have Mike Saloff and Paramount Naik. Okay, now let me introduce you to our protection plan membership. And what this is a membership that emphasizes on your credit, also protect your identity, family, finances, lifestyle, future, and peace of mind. Okay, this includes credit restoration, which is a flagship product, credit builder, because we know not everybody has bad credit. Some people just don't have lines of credit. We teach them how to get it. FES Debt Zero is a budgeting tool to keep all your debts in there, help you pay it off in time and as fast as possible. Now we have a credit attorney for all your how to remove items and those harassing phone calls from collection agencies, all right? We have Smart Credit. It's a credit monitoring tool. We have My Care Plan, which includes wills, trusts, financial power of attorney, and healthcare power of attorney. Guys, we have Lifelock. Lifelock partnered with us. It's a multi-million-dollar company. And if they partnered with us, that should tell you that this is huge, okay? And it's enough due diligence, guys. We have Financial Lockbox. It's an online safety deposit box for all your financial accounts. You can keep all your passwords over there. You know, set a beneficiary to it just in case you're incapacitated or you're not available anymore. You can have someone to have access to them, okay? You have life insurance coverage. We have discount shopping. We have, you know, YFL family mints, and we're going to go into the YFL family mints in a little bit. We have IRS discount cards, which can give you up to 85% on your, you know, medical, prescription cards or prescription costs. Now, we have FES Travel. It's a travel portal where you can book all your flights, ticketing over there, hotels, rental cars, and whatnot, what it has to do with travels, okay? And it's huge, definitely so discounted, all right? Now, let's teach you how your credit is calculated. Your credit is made up of 5 main parts. The biggest is your payment history, guys. That constitutes 35% of your credit score, okay? Now, this is made up of your on-time payments versus your delinquencies, okay? It has the most weight. It is the biggest, guys. If you're someone who's interested, or if you're someone who's normally missing payments, it's a bad attitude. You got to change it, okay? The more on-time payments you make, the better your credit score. Now, the next is your capacity or amount owed or amount used. Guys, we always definitely want to teach people that they need to keep below 30% of their credit card max. Going beyond 30% will hit your score. Your score is going to take a plunge, all right? The next is the length of credit, which constitutes 15% of your credit score. Okay, this is made up of how long you've had your accounts, okay? It's best if you have your accounts normally about 4 years above, and that will start building up your credit. Now, new credit constitutes 10%, and that is made up of the number of inquiries that you have in your credit score on your credit in the past 12 to 18 months, all right? The last 10%, but not least, is the type of credit used. Guys, you want to have a variation of types of credit. Maybe you want a car note, you want a loan, you want a student loan, you have credit cards, you have, you know, a mix of this, and your credit is going to look fine, all right? Now, next, let's talk about some few credit myths, okay, or some misconceptions that people have about credit. Now, the first is credit agencies are empowered with some kind of governmental authority. Guys, this is false. Okay, credit agencies have no legal authority at all. They have no affiliation with no legal authority whatsoever, all right? Now, credit agencies are required by law to keep derogatory items in your credit report for, you know, for 7 to 10 years. Again, this is false. There's no law, okay, that credit agencies report anything at all. They're required by law to remove any derogatory items that's, you know, older than 7 years, like, you know, student loans, and in case of bankruptcy, 10 years. Information on your credit report cannot be changed. It's illegal, immoral to have those information altered or removed. Guys, again, that is false, okay? While leveraging the Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971, both federal and various state laws require, okay, that items be removed if they're not 100% accurate or cannot be verified in a timely manner. Now, the next is paying off, you know, there's the most common, that paying off a past due debt removes you from your credit report. Guys, this is false. Just because you pay off an old debt does not mean, or it may erase the fact that at one time you were not paying as agreed. Can this record be changed? Absolutely. The fifth, but not least, is inquiries are not derogatory and will not affect my credit standing. Guys, anything that erodes your financial stability is damaging to your credit standing. In the case of inquiries, One or two may not, but anything above that will start telling a story of its own, that you're someone who's very desperate to get credit. And most creditors would not be, you'll not be attracted to them, all right? And can this be removed? Absolutely. Using the Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971, it can be removed, and it doesn't have to come back. Now, again, the Fair Credit Reporting Act gives Americans the right, the right to dispute, challenge, and investigate any item on the credit report, be it inaccurate, erroneous, obsolete items such as late payments, charge-offs, foreclosures, bankruptcies, tax liens, collections, short sales, medical bills, and many other items could be removed, and had to reflect as paid as agreed. Now, this is how your back office, or this is how your dashboard is going to look like. You can see a 544 over there. That's the initial score of the person who started. I hope your credit is not that bad, but if it's that bad, we definitely got you. And it has a pie chart to help you understand your credit score, or what your credit score is made up of. We can target inaccuracies, charge-offs, late payments, foreclosures, bankruptcies, tax liens, collections, short sales, medical bills, even child support. All right, it's that big. Now, people ask me, what do we have to bring to the table that other companies don't have? They try to compare us to other companies. To me, it is no comparison, because look here. There's a comparison table between us, Lexington Law, Sky Blue, Credit Repair, and Credit Saint. Now, we all offer credit repair, across board. Now, what we offer and others don't is we have wills, trust, and power of attorneys, which no other company does, all right? We have credit monitoring. Lexington Law has the same. Now, Sky Blue Credit Repair do, but at an extra cost. Now, Credit Saint only does credit repair, so I'm not going to even mention the names anymore. Now, identity protection. We offer identity protection, Lexington Law does. The others at an extra cost. Now, we're the only one that does debt elimination, and we're the only one that offer an income opportunity, guys. So this is huge. For the protection plan membership, it's a one-time $99 activation fee and $89 a month, and it's no contract. You can back out at any time. Now, we have a partnership with the YFL, Youth Financial Literacy, and what we do is we go into schools and educate young people from the age 8 to 18 about personal finance and how to live, a good financial life. Now, each protection plan membership donates $2 towards the financial literacy every month, and we offer annual college scholarships. The YFL awards hundreds, thousands, of people. And, last year alone, we donated over, $230,000.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm going to keep you muted so we keep this clean. You can save all the questions, and after this, you can ask, all right? Now, awesome. So how to increase your score, and the value we have to offer. One of the services that we have is called Credit My Rent. Now, we all agree that, rent is the biggest, is the biggest expense that people make, which does not count towards your credit score, With this program, we're changing the whole thing. We're changing that whole thing, We could go back 2 years into your payment, and we're gonna report from the past 2 years to date all the on-time payments you've made on your rent. This is a life changer. This is a game changer. This is new, and we're starting it, and it's so good. A lot of people are patronizing it. It's so awesome. Now, we also offer secured cards for those who are starting to build their credit and those who need extra lines of credit. All right. Now, there's a few things our customers are saying. This from Johnny and Sandra Mola in Texas. After having the bankruptcy removed, they were able to purchase a home at a fixed interest rate, which saved them almost $1,000 a month. Guys, $1,000 a month, that's like $12,000 a year. This money could actually be put towards another house, all right? Yvette says in 2 months, the credit score increased to the point where her car insurance premium lowered by $2,000 a year. Guys, I don't know what insurance she was using, but this is huge, okay? Vinny Ho says after 45 days, he had a tax lien and foreclosure deleted from his credit report. Now, this is the reason why most of you came here for the career and business opportunity. So I'm going to jump right into it. No wasting any more time, okay? Now, most people want to be their own bosses. The thing is, they don't know how to be their own bosses, or they don't have the product to help them be their own bosses, okay? According to Gallup poll, 72% of people would rather prefer to be their own boss, but they don't know where to start, okay? 100 million people have jobs, but 70 million would rather not have them, okay? That's the trend right now. Now, welcome to hybrid marketing, where entrepreneurship meets corporate America. Now, for what we have is called an FES agent. And for an FES agent, what you get is personalized website, an online sales tracking system, agent and customer support, access to professional marketing materials. You get paid weekly and you have tax advantages. Plus, you'll be in a position to help others get commissions, residual bonuses, and more. Okay, this is awesome. To me, this is crazy. To become an agent, all you got to do is you have to pay a $288 one time and $89 a month. The $89 a month is for your protection plan membership. For being an agent, you're a client. You also have your credit repaired. But guess what? I'll tell you a way to beat this. So what we call this is Stripe for 5, and this has to do with the commissions, right? So I'm going to teach you what this is about. Now, for each protection plan membership you refer, mind you, you don't do the credit repair yourself. The company does, okay? So for each protection plan membership or anyone who you refer to have the credit repair, the company pays you $100. That's it, flat. And there's no limit to the number of people you can have, all right? So by this, let's say you have, 5 people here, guess what? That's $500. If you can do this in a week, that's $500 in a week. Guess what? Striving for 5 means you offset your $89 a month. That's it. It's canceled. You don't pay any more $89 a month. So whatever you make is yours. Mind you, you have made $500 within your first week of signing up. You don't pay any $89 a month. And you made a return on your investment. You invested $288, now you made $212 back, okay? Now, on top of this, for every protection plan membership you make, each one of them qualifies you to make $12 in residual income. So if you make 5 people a month, you're making 12 times 5 in that month. That's $60. That is, to me, is big, okay? Now, customer acquisition bonus. There's another way you get paid. This gentleman looks like, a lot of people are saying he looks like Kobe Bryant. So I'm going to call him Kobe. So when an agent enrolls to protection plan membership, okay, you earn from between $100 to $550 based on your title in the company. Okay, so for being an agent, which is the very first title, what you get is, let's say you get one more agent and 2 customers. All right, the 2 customers will make you $200. Okay, the agents can make you $100. So right here, you've made $300. I hope that makes sense. Now, the next level is called a field trainer. What you do is you have 2 personally active agents, and you have a couple customers. All right, that will rank you up, and that will be your first raise. You start making $160 for every single agent you bring in. Now, the next level is once you have 2 more agents, okay, and a couple customers, you rank up again to what we call a senior field trainer. And over there, you make $240 for every single agent. Now, the next level, which is the sweet spot, is called a sales director. What you do is you need to have 3 more agents, or you need to have 3 legs and a couple customers. Now, what that will give you is the biggest jump in the company, from $240 to $380 for every single agent sign up at that position. Guys, to me, this is huge, okay? This goes up all the way to executive vice president. And, you'll be making from between $500 to $550 for every single agent that you bring in. Now, this is another way you get paid. It's called infinity bonus, and it starts from the sales director position, all right? You have half a percentage of your total sales. Okay, so this goes on all the way to senior executive vice president, where you make $5 million a month. The company pays you 2.75% of the total, and you make 100,000 in bonus. This has nothing to do with the work you're doing. The company is just paying you a bonus on what you've already done, and people replicate this. So you guess what? They just keep paying you these amounts every month. Now, the results, okay, what some of our agents are saying. These Gene and Wayman Kimson, they were real estate brokers, okay? They could wait weeks and months. It was honestly causing them more stress, okay? So they jumped into FES, made it their full-time career, and it has paved the way. Now they are senior vice presidents and R&L Club members. Very soon I'll tell you what R&L Club is, and their retirement is set, all right? Now, the next person is called Toy Jones. She's an executive vice president, and she said she was in corporate America for 8 years and was let go from her job, okay? She was, like most people, living paycheck to paycheck and had no money saved, and she had bad credit. So she stepped out of faith, borrowed some money to get started with FES, and truly changed her life. In 22 days, her bankruptcy and judgment were removed, and the rest is just history. She made her first 6 figures in 2017, and now she has a company, Paid Audi, okay? Yes, we will get there. And she's a single mom too, and now living the life on her own terms. You guys, this is the best thing that could ever happen to you, all right? Now we have Anthony Jackson and his wife, okay? They were PE teachers, and they got laid off after 15 years, and it's crazy. They had nothing. They literally had what they had to start the company and nothing else. So they took the leap of faith, and now they are level 2 R&L clubs, and they are making crazy money. They're original vice presidents. I'm going to fast forward a little bit because there's a lot of testimonials, all right? So there's the R&L club, like we said before, and I'm going to tell you what this is. To qualify to be in the R&L club, you need to have at least 500 people in your team. It's a team effort. Once you have 500 people in your team, the company will pay you $600 every month towards an Audi, Cadillac, or Mercedes-Benz. The choice is yours. What is better than Audi, Cadillac, and Mercedes-Benz? It's a free Audi, Cadillac, and Mercedes-Benz, guys. Now, the next thing is level 2, which level 2 and 3, which the company gives you a one-time cash bonus of $10,000 and a $1,500 car allowance. So you can make an upgrade in the car, or you can get another car. And if you want to keep that one car, the money will be kept in an extra account for you. Now, level 4 is a $25,000 cash bonus. 5 is a one-time $50,000 cash bonus with a Bentley upgrade. And guys, people are reaching these levels. It's not theoretical. It is happening, all right? I personally know people who've got it. Now, the level 6, which is a sweet spot, I also know someone who's got it, is a monthly $5,000 house payment. Keyword, monthly, $5,000. So I guess you're gonna have to get yourself a castle. Now, the next thing is, to me, this is what I see myself. This is me and my wife, all right? This is level 7 to 10, monthly retirement bonus up to $25,000 monthly lifetime bonuses from $150,000 to $250,000. Keyword, monthly. Now, when you join us or when you become an agent, you have crazy support, okay? We have trainings, okay? We teach you how to use social media to advance your business, how to establish corporate accounts, how to sell protection plan memberships, how to establish substantial team of agents, manage a nationwide organization, understand and maximize the compensation plan, build a long-term residual income, become a successful leader, the right mindset, attitude for success, and so much more. Again, you want to become an agent and customer for 288, or maybe Rocky, I'm just interested in getting my credit repaired. So I'm just going to pay the 188 and become a protection plan member. Awesome. You can call me back and then we'll get you started. Now, interested? Let's say you're a 3. Okay, Rocky, I'm interested, but I have questions. You could get back to me or get back to whoever shared this video with you, and ask them whatever questions because they're in the best capacity to solve your questions for you. Now, on this note, I'm going to congratulate you and welcome you to the movement, to the team, and yeah, congratulations and welcome. So I'm going to stop recording.